welcome back to my channel and welcome to my New Year's vlog. It has been a very cozy morning here at our house. It started with rain this morning and now has turned into a full-blown snowstorm, so we have not really done much this morning. It's about noon now, so I'm just making myself a sandwich because I haven't eaten yet this morning. But yeah, it's been a very cozy morning. Got up pretty late. I woke up at 9 o'clock this morning. Like I said, have pretty much done nothing. I've just been on my computer. I've been organizing some playlists, doing a little bit of like updating my planner and stuff. Just getting myself ready and set for the new year tomorrow. Been very, very cozy. Had a blanket on all morning, had some coffee. Now I'm just, as I said, making myself some food. Not sure what we're doing today. We were supposed to go to a murder mystery party tonight, but with the snow, I don't know that we're going to be going anywhere. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, probably going to be a pretty chill day. I'm going to do some more like planning and prepping. I want to do some tarot at some point. And maybe sit down and read. Have a cozy reading session. Yeah, we'll kind of see how the day goes. Not sure what's going to happen, but figured I'd bring you guys along. So, got my sandwich, and then I bought this kombucha yesterday. So we're going to give it a try. Oh. A little light there.
Yeah, your screen's cracked.
The screen protector's cracked.
Oh. This better make it in.
I'm an aspiring singer-influencer. I've always dreamt of being a famous singer. I'll sing at any and every opportunity to showcase my wonderful talent. It's easy. I just sing about whatever's happening where I am. It's a real shame about Serena, but she was getting terribly old and talentless. I really respected her. I even threw a handful of pearls across the stage before her entrance as an homage. How was I supposed to know she'd slip?